Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how we can manage microfinance business in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the HR management, I will go to employee list. So here I have created some employees and their login ID and password. So I have set from the set branch. So for example, let's say Akash. So I will go to set branch. Here, Madhya Pradesh, I have assigned to Akash. So, I will just close this and let's go to the group management and create group. So, here you can see I have created some groups. So, we can see that groups from the master setup branch hierarchy. So, here you can see under head office I have created Punjab. Punjab is the branch and under Punjab Haryana is the group. So like this, I have created some branches and some groups. So now let's go to the customer and all list. So I will just refresh. So here you can see 13 records. So I have created 13 customers, 13 members of the microfinance business. Now let's search one customer F-1. So this is member 1. Now let's go to create loan for this member. So here I have created some scheme. So let's go to the master setup and let's check the product scheme. So here on the daily basis loan I have created some product scheme, that is for 0.2% daily interest with principal and for 100 days. Now let's search one customer. Let's say F-8. So this is customer Sandeep. Now let's go to click to the loan. So here I will select the product scheme and for example let's say 10,000 loan amount, and here I have added some membership charges, so I will just delete and I want to add the document charges, let's say 200, and I will add. Now just calculate. So here you can see 10,000 is principal, 9,800 is the pay because I have set the deduct document charges from principal. And from here also I will select the loan disbursement date, let's say 12th of December, and here I will just select the installment start date, let's say on the next day 13th of December. And I want to receive the advance installment on the loan disbursement date. Now I will just calculate. So here you can see now the pay is 9,680. That is 120 is deducted from the principal. So I will just save this loan. So from the customer loan approval, I will just approve this. Approved this loan, change the status. And just disburse this manually. Now you can see loan number 30 has been created. Now from the search bar, I will search loan number 30. So here you can see I have created personal loan for Sandeep using the product scheme daily basis loan. And if I go and check the installment tracker, so here you can see the first installment we have received 120 advance installment. And if I check the passbook, so this is the passbook, all the details.